Hello friends, Assalamu-O-Alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, 3rd edition for grade 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 11, Part 1. Tell me about grandfather. Complete lesson. Urdu translation and solved exercise. 11 lesson. Tell me about grandfather. The children were learning about families. Their teacher, Mrs. Hassan, smiled and said, I want you to tell me a funny story about your grandfather. Ali, you go first. Ali stood up and scratched his head. I don't know any stories, said Ali. Why don't you try, Ali? Asked Mrs. Hassan. Can Zara and Nabil help me? Asked Ali. Sure, said Mrs. Hassan. Ali, Zara and Nabil sat together. They whispered and giggled too. After a few minutes, they were ready. My grandfather is old, announced Ali. One day, he was on a bus with two friends. None of them could hear too well. Zara and Nabil will be the friends. I will be my grandfather. The children giggled some more. Then they began. Ali, the bus windows are open. I am getting lots of air. Zara, did you not eat today? Nabil, I am bored. Ali, bored did you say? Shall we have coffee at the next stop? Nabil, I don't want to get off and shop. Zara, I'm sorry, but we are all too old to hop. Ali, my hair is blowing in the wind. This bus is too windy. Zara, no, it's not Wednesday. I am sure it is Thursday. Ali, you are thirsty too. Let's get off at the next stop. Nabil, I told you I don't want to shop. Zara, no one asked you to hop. The children laughed and clapped. Mrs. Hassan did too. Words to know. Scratched.
कजाया,
Bored.
बेजार हुआ,
Giggled.
हंसा,
Hop.
उछलना,
Learning.
सीखना,
Families.
खानदानों,
Funny.
मज़ाहिया,
Story.
कहानी,
Stood up.
खड़ा हुआ,
Help.
मदद,
Asked.
पूछा,
Sure.
यकीनन,
Together.
इकट्ठा,
Whispered.
सरगोशी की,
Announced.
ऐलान किया,
Friend.
दोस्त,
Window.
खिड़की,
Today.
आज,
Shop.
दुकान,
Old.
बूढ़ा,
Windy.
हवादार,
Wednesday.
बुध,
Thursday.
जुमरात,
Thirsty.
प्यासा,
Get off.
उतरना,
Laughed.
हंसा,
Clapped.
ताली बजाई।
Tell me about grandfather.
मुझे दादा जान के बारे में बताएं।
The children were learning about families.
बच्चे ख़ानदानों के बारे में सीख रहे थे।
Their teacher, Mrs. Hassan, smiled and said, I want you to tell me a funny story about your grandfather.
उनके उस्तानी मिसेस हसन मुस्कराई और कहा, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग मुझे अपने दादा जान के बारे में मज़ाहिया कहानी सुनाएं।
Ali, you go first.
अली, तुम पहले सुनाओ।
Ali stood up and scratched his head.
अली खड़ा हुआ और अपने सर को खुजाया।
I don't know any stories, said Ali.
मैं कोई कहानी नहीं जानता, अली ने कहा।
Why don't you try, Ali? asked Mrs. Hassan.
अली, आप कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? मिसेस हसन ने पूछा।
Can Zara and Nabil help me? asked Ali.
क्या ज़ारा और नबील मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? अली ने पूछा।
Sure, said Mrs. Hassan.
यकीनन, मिसेस हसन ने कहा।
Ali, Zara and Nabil sat together.
अली, ज़ारा और नबील इकट्ठे बैठ गए।
They whispered and giggled too.
उन्होंने सरगोशियाँ की और हंसे।
After a few minutes, they were ready.
चंद मिनट के बाद वो तैयार थे।
My grandfather is old, announced Ali.
मेरे दादा जान बूढ़े हैं, अली ने बताया।
One day, he was on a bus with two friends.
एक दिन वो दो दोस्तों के साथ बस पर बैठे हुए थे।
None of them could hear too well.
इनमें से कोई भी अच्छी तरह सुन नहीं सकता था।
Zara and Nabil will be the friends. I will be my grandfather.
ज़ारा और नबील दोस्त होंगे, मैं दादा जान होऊंगा।
The children giggled some more. Then they began.
बच्चे थोड़ा और हंसे और फिर शुरू कर दिया।
Ali, the bus windows are open. I'm getting lots of air.
अली, बस की खिड़कियाँ खुली है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हवा आ रही है।
Zara, did you not eat today?
ज़ारा, क्या आपने आज कुछ नहीं खाया?
Nabil, I am bored.
नबील, मैं आज बोर हूँ।
Ali, bored did you say? Shall we have coffee at the next stop?
अली, बोर, क्या आपने कहा? क्या हम अगले स्टॉप पर कॉफ़ी पिएंगे?
Nabil, I don't want to get off and shop.
नबील, मैं उतर कर खरीदारी नहीं करना चाहता।
Zara, I'm sorry, but we are all too old to hop.
ज़ारा, मुझे अफसोस है, लेकिन हम सब इतने बूढ़े हैं कि हम उछल नहीं सकते।
Ali, my hair is blowing in the wind. This bus is too windy.
अली, मेरे बाल हवा में उड़ रहे हैं, ये बस बहुत हवादार है।
Zara, no, it's not Wednesday. I am sure it is Thursday.
ज़ारा, नहीं, आज बुध का दिन नहीं है, मुझे यकीन है कि आज जुमरात है।
Ali, you are thirsty too. Let's get off at the next stop.
अली, आपको प्यास भी लगी है, आइए अगले स्टॉप पर उतरते हैं।
Nabil, I told you, I don't want to shop.
नबील, मैंने आपको बता दिया कि मैं खरीदारी नहीं करना चाहता।
Zara, no one asked you to hop.
ज़ारा, किसी ने तुमको उछलने का नहीं कहा।
The children laughed and clapped. Mrs. Hassan did too.
बच्चे हंसे और तालियां बजाईं, मिसेस हसन ने भी ऐसे किया।
Exercises. A. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. What were the children learning about in class? The children we're learning about families. Did Ali know any stories about his grandfather? No, he did not know. Whose part did Ali play? Ali played the part of his grandfather. What did Ali say about it being windy? Ali said, "No, it's not Wednesday." Why do you think the three children giggled? Because they found a funny story about grandfather. B. Working with words. 1. Some of the words in the story were not heard correctly. What did the listener hear when these words were said? Shop, hop, windy, Wednesday, Thursday, thirsty, stop, shop. 2. The letters of the following words are jumbled. What are these words? You will find them in the lesson. Thirsty, blowing, windy, clapped, giggle, bored. 3. Add not to the following. Example: the bus became hot. The bus did not become hot. I shaved today. I did not shave today. They could hear very well. They could not hear very well. I do want to get off and shop. I do not want to get off and shop. It is Wednesday. It is not Wednesday. I am sure it is Thursday. I am not sure it is Thursday. Ali scratched his head. Ali did not scratch his head. 4. Write questions for these answers. Use WH words like why, when, where, who, what, etc. You can also use did and was. Grandfather was bored. Was grandfather bored? They whispered and giggled. Why did they whisper and giggle? They got off to have coffee. Did they get off to have coffee? C. Learning about language. Describing words. Read this passage. Look at the underlined words. Saima is a young girl. She lives in a big house. Her house is in a busy city. The words young, big and busy tell us about the naming words girl, house and city. Words which tell us more about naming words are called describing words. 1. Underline all the describing words. Aslam is an old man, but he is a strong man. He lives in a small house. His house is in a large village near a wide river. Aslam has a fine boat. Look at a huge fish. He is pulling out of the deep water. D. Listening and speaking. 1. Read these words and repeat them aloud. Heat, meet, beat, cook, look, took, coat, goat, float, feel, wheel, heel. 2. Add these words to the list in exercise D1. Seat, book, boat, reel. Activity. Look at these words. Brilliant, delicious, ugly, strong, famous, tall, pink, sticky, naughty, poor. Think of something each word could describe. Write down the describing words from the list and your word. Example: brilliant child, shining diamond. Now work with a classmate. Don't show him/her your list. Read out one of your words to him/her. Example: diamond. Can your classmate guess which describing word you have paired with it? When you have finished, use the phrases in sentences of your own. Brilliant, brilliant student. Onaza is a brilliant student of the class. Delicious, delicious cake. I ate a delicious cake on my birthday. Ugly, ugly dress. She wear an ugly dress. Strong, strong girl. Onaza is a strong girl. Famous, famous story. He told me a famous story. Tall, tall building. There are many tall buildings in Karachi. Pink, pink shirt. Where is my pink shirt? Sticky, sticky stuff. There is some sticky stuff in your hair. Naughty, naughty monkey. I saw a naughty monkey in the zoo. Poor, poor man. He is a poor man. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.